we need to express cos²x in terms of sin x only. So here we're going to use compound angles identities. We know that cos²x, right, can be written as cos x plus x. So what we did is we broke 2x into x plus x. So we're going to treat the first x as a and the second x as b. And we know an identity about cos a plus b, right, is the same as cos a, cos b. If it's a plus here, it must be a minus. Sin a, sin b. Right. And then from here, we can see that, okay, cos, remember this is still cos²x, right? X plus x is still 2x, gives us cos²x minus sin²x. Because cos x times cos x is cos², sin x times sin x is sin². But remember, we need sine only, so we need to get rid of this guy. We know that cos² theta is the same as 1 minus sin² theta. So I'm going to replace this as 1 minus sin² x minus sin² x. Then here I have cos²x. And my answer will be 1 minus 2 sin² x. Because these two guys are like terms. So minus 1 will be minus 2. And that's how we use compound angles to transform it properly. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you.